shopping centre pretty much within the hotel, and I can't afford anything. I don't even think I can afford a ride on those boats on the little Venice setup that they've got here. Wish. So pretty in here. So around Gardens by the Bay there are of course the gardens, and there's loads of them. Coming to the Chinese garden. We're on our way to the cloud forest. The cloud forest. The dome. Yeah, and the dome. So it's kind of like a massive dome-shaped greenhouse, but it looks amazing. Look at this. Crazy, crazy. So many pretty flowers here. I'm actually in my element. Just going into the lost world. So Tom just took a picture of me doing this, and now everyone is doing it. I just love that I started that off because I never ever started anything off because I'm so uncool. How awesome is this? Lego. That's so clever. Oh, we got a massive Venus flytrap there. That is awesome. So with the ticket you actually get into the cloud forest and the flower dome. They're right next to each other. But it's pretty good, so we're going to go and check that out now. Those different gardens. Got the Australian one up there, the South African one just here. And it's all just divided up into different sections, but on a Mediterranean climate. This is how all the rice I've eaten in Asia is making me feel at the moment. Oh, belly. There's a building near the Gardens by the Bay. It's called the Marine Barrage, and the entire roof has grass on it. It's like this big sweeping shape. I don't know if it's actually part of the university. When you Google it, it kind of comes up that it might be, but I get a bit confused. But it's really, really awesome. So I've just realised I've got a solar panel farm up here, or a solar park, which is pretty awesome. One thing I've really learned in the couple of days being here is how much importance Singapore puts on the environment and being sustainable, like being the cloud dome and the flower dome earlier today. Everything is renewable in there. They're all about saving the environment, saving the planet, stopping climate change, getting everyone to do their bit, and that's really great. And I think that's something that a lot of other countries can learn from. Education is where it starts, and that's exactly what they do with all of their attractions here. The sky looks very dark tonight. I'm not sure how long we'll be out for. Go to Hawker Market and maybe go to Clark Quay, which is like a big kind of drinking-y kind of place. So we're going to go and see what it's all about. I love Chinatown. Anywhere I go, I always love it. Look at this sky tonight. How pink it is. Beautiful. Hello Kitty themed aircraft. Well, why not, hey? Look at this place. That's awesome. It's one of those like vertical garden places, I think. Oh. Same with the Park Royal. Something else. Yeah. Who knows? Such a mess. These are really good though. I'm really bad with chopsticks. juice out. So this is a traditional Singaporean thing. It's called fried carrot cake. It's not a cake, but it does contain carrots. It's essentially kind of like a carrot omelette, I think. I just asked the guys. Eggs, smashed carrots, got some spring onion on there, and some spicy sauce. But I think it's something you have to eat when you're in Singapore. Yeah, it's just like an omelette. He asked if I wanted chopsticks or a spoon for some reason. I said